Hello again everybody, now I'm gonna show one really great and amazing card trick, and then in my next, maybe in some next new video when I get 25 subscribers, I'll show you how this trick is done. Okay, first I'm gonna shuffle these cards. Okay, and I'm gonna give the cards a good riffle shuffle, like this. I'm gonna do one more riffle shuffle. Okay, like this. And now I'm gonna take out all diamond cards, so I'm gonna take out Queen, Jack, there is 2, 6, Ace, 5, King, 10. Okay, there is 9. As you can see, there is no order of these cards, as you can see. And that's it for diamonds. And I don't need the rest of the deck. And as you can see, cards are all mixed up in random order. And now I'm gonna try to get this card all Ace through King. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! I'm gonna do this as fast as I can. I'm gonna do, okay. I'm still shuffling cards like this. Let's go in job, out job, 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 in job. Okay. And now I'm gonna do Australian shuffle, down and under, down, 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 down. Okay, and I'm gonna give the cards one more shuffle. Okay, now as you can see, I pretty good mix up these cards, and now all the cards are in order. Ace, King, we hear Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King. Okay, I hope you like this trick. I'm gonna tell this again. I'm gonna do tutorial when I get 25 subscribers. Okay, that's it. I'll see you next time.